How to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. First of all, open up the Telegram app. After opening the app, click on Settings from the bottom right corner. Then scroll down in Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. You will find the channel option right here. If the option isn't available here, then open up the Telegram in the web browser. Click on Menu from the top left corner and go into Settings from here. After that, tap on the Privacy and Security option. Scroll down in Privacy and Security. You will find the channel option in here as well. But if you won't find it here, make sure you update the app into its latest version. Then open up the App Store and search for a Telegram app. After that, click to update your app. And then, it will solve your problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.